In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group events in Calendly. 5 minutes. A group event in Calendly lets multiple people book the same time slot with a single host, which is perfect for webinars, classes, open office hours, or info sessions. Let's walk through the setup together from start to finish so your attendees can self-schedule without back and forth. First, head to calendly.com in your browser and click Log In. Sign into your account by entering your email and then your password. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow those prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where you can see or create event types. Click the Create button, then choose Group as your event type. This tells Calendly you want several invitees to join the same meeting time rather than booking one-on-one. Start by naming your event. Pick a clear, descriptive title that tells people exactly what they're joining, something like weekly product demo or live Q&A session. You can also add a brief description to set expectations and highlight what attendees will get out of it. Next, set the duration. Choose how long each session will run, perhaps 30, 45, or 60 minutes. Think about how much time you need for content, Q&A, and a comfortable wrap-up. If you typically need a minute to reset between sessions, you can add buffers later in your availability settings. For location, select where and how you'll meet. You can use a video conferencing option like Zoom or Google Meet, or choose an in-person address. If you've connected your conferencing tool to Calendly, links can be generated automatically for each booking, which saves a lot of manual work. Now, set your availability. You can reuse an existing schedule or create custom hours for this event. Pick the days and time windows you want to offer and consider your time zone and the audience's time zones. It's a good idea to limit how far in advance people can book and to leave space between sessions to prevent overload. Set an invitee limit to control capacity. This is the maximum number of people who can book a single time slot. For example, cap a demo at 10 attendees or a workshop at 25 to keep things manageable. Choose the host for the event if you're part of a team. Select who will run the session so the right calendar and conferencing settings are used. Finally, click Create to save your group event. Calendly will generate a booking page you can share by link or embed on your site, and you're ready to start accepting signups.